Hello kids, how are you? I'm so happy to share with you this video. Ya llevaba unas semanillas que quería compartir con vosotros algo así. Y a partir de ahora pues lo haremos así porque tenemos esta plataforma que a mí me está ayudando un mogollón. ¿Vale? Bueno, pues vamos a empezar directamente con nuestro libro. Let's start with our book. Let's go here. To Unit 7 at the Animal Rescue Center. As you worked last week, you worked on the vocabulary and you learned definitions, so you looked for definitions for these animals. And what I am going to do now is to read these animals because I want you to have a good pronunciation of them, okay? So, mouse, fox, blackbird, caterpillar, deer, squirrel, badger, pigeon, snail, robin, hawk, and hedgehog. This is the vocabulary, the first part of the vocabulary in Unit 7. You already did this activity last week. You answered to the questions and I corrected what you sent to me. All right, so now we are going to move and we are going to listen to the story, The Church Tower. Okay, so in this occasion, sorry, because I didn't show the challenge. What is the message on the big flag at the Animal Rescue Center? So the kids have to guess the message. What is the message on the big flag at the Animal Rescue Center? All right, so now let's start the listening activity.
Listening 2.44. Listen and read.
The church tower.
Look! The other teams are going to get to the Animal Rescue Centre before us.
Oh no, they're going to win.
I've got an idea.
Follow me.
Let's climb up the tower. We can use my binoculars to see the Animal Rescue Centre. Then we can read the message.
You're a genius, Ollie.
Shh! What's that noise? It's creepy.
I don't like this. You're not a genius, Ollie.
I can't see anything. Perhaps it's a mouse.
You're kidding. That isn't a mouse. Can you see the message? What does it say?
It says Animal Welfare Day. Be kind to animals today.
Well done. That's the right answer.
Yeah! Wow, it's an owl. Look out! It's going to crash into the wall. Oh, poor thing. It's hurt.
We should take it to the Animal Rescue Centre. Come on.
Yeah. Is it going to survive?
Yes, it's going to be fine. Well done, kids. You saved the owl's life.
Bien, pues en el vídeo, como habéis visto, no solamente los chicos a través de los prismáticos alcanzan ver el mensaje que ponía en la bandera, sino que además salvan, hacen una buena obra y salvan a un búho que se encuentran en la torre, ¿vale? Entonces es una historia doblemente bonita, ellos encuentran el mensaje, se quedan en primer lugar en la posición, ¿verdad?, el challenge, del reto en el que participan otros coles de la ciudad y además ayudan a un animal que se encuentran en la torre. Entonces, ahora lo que vamos a hacer es centrarnos en esta pantalla. We are going to focus on this screen. And here we have some grammar. ¿Vale? Tenemos un punto de gramática. Este punto de gramática nos va a explicar cuándo o para qué utilizar este tiempo verbal. Y mirad lo que dice the tip, el consejo. We use going to talk about the future. Utilizamos going to para hablar del futuro, sobre el futuro. Use the verb be, utilizamos el verbo to be, and going to, y la forma going to, and the infinitive form of the verb. Entonces se nos quedaría am, o is, o are, plus going to, más going to, plus an infinitive, más un infinitivo. Here we have some examples. It is, as you can see, the verb, the form is contracted. It is going to crash. Se va a chocar into the wall, con la pared. They're going to win. Ellos van a ganar. These two are positive statements. Now we have some negative ones. It isn't going to fly. No va a volar. They aren't going to ride a bike. No van a montar en bici. And now we have here some questions. Is it going to survive? Survive? Yes, it is. Are they going to climb the tower? No, they aren't. Okay, so this expression, this verbal tense, is used to talk about the future. And now, with this activity, what you have to do is to read these sentences here, this dialogue between Meg and Ralph. I am going to read it for you, and you have to do something similar with these photos. Can you guess which picture? Ask me some questions. And Ralph starts asking, what's the boy going to do? And Meg says, he's going to take a photo. Ralph asks another question. What's the girl going to do? And Meg says, she's going to feed the rabbit. So Ralph guesses the picture. You don't have to follow this dialogue or this model, but you have to describe what you can see, what the boys and girls, what the children are going to do. Okay? So, this is the first activity for today, right? For Tuesday. You have to do this on Tuesday, right? You have already listened to the story. You have paid attention to the grammar. And now what you have to do is to write sentences describing what these kids, what these children are going to do. Okay? Well, now we are going to move here to the activity book. We have already done page 64 and 55. So we are going to move here, and here we have another chart with the point of grammar. Going to. You have affirmative statements, you have negative sentences, you have questions, and you have short answers. So, what you have to do now is to listen and number the pictures here and to do activities 2 and 4. For Thursday, you don't have English on Wednesday, so for Thursday. All right, these activities are for Thursday. Ready, steady, go.
Listening 2.46. Listen and number. Number 1.
What are you doing, Meg?
I'm going to pack my bag.
For the holiday?
Yes.
Shall I help you?
Yes, please.
Number 2.
You've got lots of things.
Yes, I know.
A scarf and gloves. You don't need these. It's going to be hot.
Oh, yes. Silly me.
Number 3.
Are you going to wear 10 t-shirts?
No.
Number 4.
And what's this?
It's my tent.
We aren't going to sleep in a tent. We're going to sleep in a hotel.
Oh.
All right, so you have to number, to make sentences and match them to the pictures in activity 1, and here you have to write questions. This is for Thursday. And for Friday, you have to do activities 6 and 7. Look and write sentences with these actions here, describing what these children are going to do. He's going to take a photo because he has his camera, okay? You have to use here these actions, do, write, take, go, and make, and these complements, okay? And here you are going to write about your plans. What are you going to do in the evening or this evening? I am going to do my homework, or I am going to watch TV, or I am going to listen to music, okay? So this task is for Friday class. So you have your whole week planned. You have task for Tuesday, task for Thursday, and task for Friday. I hope you enjoy it. It was a pleasure to share with you this video. See you very, very soon. All right? It was a pleasure. Bye-bye. I miss you a lot. Thank you for watching and listening, all right? Bye now. Take care.